Hello, I'd like to give you a lesson. I'm not sure if they're going to give you this lesson at school, but let's plug it in, make sure I've got some power. And let's go across to where I'm going to write. Right, so the lesson I'm going to give you is called a square root algorithm. Now, you can calculate the square root using a calculator, or you can calculate the square root without your calculator. The thing is, I haven't seen this type of question on many curriculums. I don't think it's in the Australian or the IB or the A levels, but you can tell me if I'm right or wrong. Let's do the square root of, say, 17.38. It's just a random number. Okay, I'm just going to use the square root of 17.38. So the square root of 17.38 without a calculator. All right, so let's set this up, and we go from the decimal, and we put 17.38, and we group them in twos. Okay, so let me just change the color if I can, because I'm just sort of getting to know this. All right, let's go to blue. Now, we go from the decimal over two numbers at a time. Now, I'm going to put 0, 0. Every two numbers, we're going to get a new number on top. So let's just go to 3 decimal places. Oh, let's do one more. 4 decimal places. So above each umbrella, we're going to have one number. Notice I group them in twos from the decimal position. All right. And we start by saying, and I will use, because this is a square root, we want a number. I'll put here a number times a number to give 17. So a number times a number, it has to less than or equal to 17. It can't bust. All right, so that number is 4. 4 fours are less than 17. 4 fours are 16. You subtract 16, and we've got 1. We bring down the next 2 zeros, and you can see 138. Each time you bring 2 zeros, not just one. Sorry, 2 numbers, not just one. And now we start again. I'm going to change the color just for the second number. Let's go yellow. Now, what we're going to do here is say actually, I'm not ready. I've got to double the top number. Let's double the top number. Double 4 is 8. Okay, so I'm going to put 8. The thing is 80 something times something. All right, so 80 something times something has got to be less than or equal to 138. Well, it's not 82 times 82. That's bust. So the only number that can go in here is 81 times 81. These two numbers, by the way, must be the same. You can't use different numbers because it's a square root algorithm. Each time we want the same number. 82 times 2, 83 times 3. Right, 81 times 1. And okay, so what we do is we have to take 81 times 1 is 81 and subtract it from 138. So what have we got? We've got 7 and we've got 57. We bring down the next 2 zeros and finish off. We double the number up the top. So we double 41. What do you get? Double 41 is 82. Okay, I'm going to use a different color here for the second number. I'm going to use a blue. 82 space, and that space. Okay, now we've got 820 something times something. That's this number here and this number here. It's got to be less than or equal to 5,700. All right, what is that? Well, 83 times 3 is 2,400. 84 times 4, that would be 4 lots of 800, 3,200, okay. 85 times 5, 5 8's 4,000. 826 times 6, well, we're getting close. Okay, let's check 826 times 6. Let's see, because 827 times 7, 7 8's 56, that'd be too many. 6 6 is 36, 6 2 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 6 8 is 48, 49. Yeah, that's the number we want. We want a 6. And so we put 6 and we subtract 4,956. The answer we got that was less. We subtract that and we'll just make that a 6, make that a 9, make that a 10. So that's 4. That's 4. Okay, make that 4. So that's 16, 17. Okay, we've got 744 remainder. We bring the next 2 zeros down. Oh, now we've got 74,400. And we double the number up top. Double the number up top. You get 832. Okay, let's use a different color here. 832. That gives us 8,320 something times something. 8,320 something times something would be less than or equal to 74,400. All right, we're getting big numbers, but it's okay. This should be less than 8. The biggest number here is 9. Now, 9 8s are 72. Well, let's see if the biggest number works. Let's multiply by 9 and see what we get. 9 9s are 81, 9 2s are 18, and 8 is 26. 9 3s are 27, 27, 28, 29. 72, 73, 74. Look, see, it's a bust. It's too big, okay? So we're going to be looking for the number 8,328. 8,328 times 8. What does that give us? I'll put it down here. 8,328 times 8. 8 8s is 64. 8 2s is 16 and 4 is 24. 8 3s are 24, 25, 26. 8 8s is 64, 66. 6 6 6 4 4. 6 6 6 4 4, because it's 8,328 times 8 is equal to 66644. All right, subtract that, and we've got 6, 5, 7, 7, and finally we bring down the next 0. Now the purpose of the last number is to find out, will this be greater than or equal to 5? If it's halfway, then it'll go up, we round up. So let's find out. And the last step we do, remember what we do? We double the number up top. Double this number. And that gives us, we'll change the color. Change the color each time we do a different number. Let's go to green. Double the number up top. So double 8 is 16. 6 is 12, and 1 is 13. 1 is 2, and 1 is 3. Double 4 is 8. And so we're looking for 83,360 something times something to be 775. Now, 8 9s is 72. Let's go for 9. 8, 3, 3, 6. I'll just put that here. 8, 3, 3, 6 something times something to be less than or equal to 775,600. And we're trying, what did I say? We're trying 9, yeah? 9 9's 81. 9 6 54. 54, 62. 9 3's are 27 and 6. 3. 9 3 is a 27 and 3, 30. 9 8 is 72 and 3 is 75. Okay, yes, that's the number. It's going to be 7, 5. Is that a 6 or a 0? 3, that was a 0. 3, 2, 1. It doesn't matter because I'm not going to do any more. So it doesn't matter. I'm going to stop right there and say that the answer is approximately 4.169. And we round that off to 3 decimal places because we found 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We found 4 decimal places. We only found the last one so that we could round up or leave it as an 8. And we're going to round it up. And there it is. Pick up the calculator, try it. The square root of 17.38 equals 4.1689327. Okay, the calculator continues. There you have it. It's called a square root algorithm. If you want to see it slowly, or if you want to see it another time, or if you want me to do it to a particular number, I will entertain that for you. I will consider it. However, until I see you again, for maybe some maths that they won't teach you at school, have a happy day. Stay happy. Cheers.